So we have surface corrosion. Okay, my mic in here. Hello, you guys. So we're now in the corrosion part, still in the identification. So some of you may know this as frosted, is what they've said. So powdery deposit. This is a common type. Next we have filiform. So the relative humidity of the air is between 78 to 90%, slightly acidic. So it attacks steel and aluminum surface. So what's distinct about this is that it's usually under the paint that the corrosion is going on. So we have the pitting, or nagpit siya, like nangatanggal, buho. Small surface openings may penetrate deeply into structural members and cause damage completely out of proportion to its surface appearance. Next, we have the crevice or the crevice corrosion. So this is when water is trapped between two surfaces, such as under loose paint, within a delaminated bond line, or an unsealed joint. So this is a common misconception with our filiform, because you can see this little thing that you can mistaken that for water, like our pitting. Our crevice. So next we have the intergranular. This type is an attack along the grain of the boundaries of an alloy. So this is usually within the inside that's going on. Next we have the exfoliation. So this is another form of intergranular. So lifting up the surface grains of a metal by the force of expanding corrosion products. So that's exfoliation. Next would be stress corrosion. By constant cyclic stress acting in conjunction, that is stress corrosion. We have fretting. So this is caused by corrosive attack when occurs when two mating surfaces normally at rest with respect to one another. So that is the fretting. We have the fatigue. Under cyclic stress, also exposed to corrosive. So if we go back to stress corrosion, this is with a chemical environment, usually caused by internal or external. Now once we go to fatigue, it still does have stress, but it is more caused by the corrosive environment. We have the galvanic, of course, when two dissimilar metals create contact. So yeah, let's do recap and study. We have the galvanic, we have the fretting, we have the filiform, we have the intergranular, we have the what are those again? Totally freaking pause the screen recording. Nope, we cannot. So let's start practice test. This is the type of corrosion. So when we say in the corrosive environment, that is the fatigue. When it's corrosive, it's in the fatigue. We have here filiform. We also have here discoloration of the joint, or galvanic, when there's two dissimilar things going on. Then we have here when water is trapped, that should be crevice. Then we have here stress corrosion, and then we have intergranular. We have the surface corrosion, most common. So this one is our pitting, and then exfoliation. And then we have here corrosive attack, so fretting.